We are going to find the coefficient of correlation, and also we are going to get the regression equations. So the data are given x and y, and while noting the given data, we can come to a conclusion that the given data are so big, the numbers are big, so that if we are going to deal with these given numbers, then the problem will be very septic. So we are going to reduce the given numbers. So for that, what we are going to do is x, it is given as 20, 22, 25, 26, 27, and the last is 23. So what we are going to do is we will be taking this 20 as base, and we will be subtracting 20 from every x, and we will call it as u, so that we will get new set of numbers. 20 minus 20 0, 22 minus 22, 25 minus 25, 6, 7, 3. So we have got small numbers. Similarly, y, the given y's are 31, 29, 32, 33, 37, 35, 34. So what we are going to do is we will select any number as base. Let us take 33 as the base. There is no importance in taking 33 as base. Here just we are taking 33 as base. That's only. So by taking 33 as base, we will be subtracting 33 from every y, such that we will get new set of v. So 33 minus 33 minus 2, minus 4, minus 1, 4, 2, and 1. So we have obtained u and v. So now we will be finding uv, u square, v square. For finding the correlation, we will be using this u and v only. We will not go with x and y. So uv, we can find this as 0, minus 8, minus 5, multiply u and v. So we will get uv 24, 14, 3. Now u square 0, 4, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, and plus 3 square 9. Similarly, v square if we are going here 4, 16, 1, 16, 4, 1. Now what we want to do is here this is the equation for coefficient of correlation. So we should get sigma uv, that is sum of all uv terms. So we will find the sum of all uv terms, and that is 28. Now similarly, we want sigma u, sum of all u terms. Sum of all u terms is equal to 23. Similarly, sigma v, sum of all v terms, that is 0. If we are finding the sum of all these terms, it will be 0. Here, we want the sigma u square, that is sum of all u square terms. If we are finding the sum of all u square terms, it is 123. And now sum of all v square terms, it is 42. Now what we want to do is we will substitute all these values in this equation, and at last we will get that coefficient of correlation as 0.732. So this is how we are finding the coefficient of correlation for the given data. And now the second thing is given, we should find the regression lines. For finding the regression lines, so here anyway we will write the given terms as what we have obtained as sigma u. Sigma u is given as, we have found it as 23. Sigma v is equal to 0. Sigma uv is equal to 28. Sigma u square we have already found, and we have drawn the table earlier on 23. And sigma v square is equal to 42. And coefficient of correlation is found as 0.732. So we have all these things, and now we are going to the regression line equation. For getting the regression line equation, here we have the formula v minus v bar is equal to gamma sigma v by sigma u into u minus u bar. U minus u bar is equal to gamma sigma u by sigma v into v minus v bar, and sigma u and sigma v are explained here. Similarly, v bar and u bar are explained here. Look, first what we want is, we want v bar. V bar means, here it is written, v bar is equal to sigma v by n. Sigma v we have already found, sigma v is equal to 0. So sigma v by n will be sigma v by n. N means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By 6 is equal to 0. So that is equal to V bar. Similarly, U bar is equal to sigma U. Sigma U we have already found 23. That 23 by 6, that is equal to U bar. Similarly, now we will go for this one. This is this sigma U. Sigma suffix U. So sigma suffix U is equal to, that is a standard deviation. That is equal to root of sigma U the whole square divided by n minus U bar the whole square. So sigma U square we have already found that sigma U square is equal to 123. So that is equal to root of 123 by 6 minus U bar. U bar means we have already found that is 23 by 6. So that 23 by 6 is equal to 3.83. So that is equal to 3.83. So we will substitute that 3.83 the whole square. So by using this, we are able to find a sigma U. So this sigma U is equal to 2.41. 2.41. So here we have obtained sigma U. Now if we are going for sigma V is equal to root of sigma V square by n minus V bar the whole square. So here sigma V square, it is 42. So it is root of 42 by 6 minus V bar. V bar is 0. Because sigma V by 0, here we have already obtained. V bar is equal to 0. So that is 42 by 6. So now we have obtained both sigma V and sigma U, and sigma V is obtained as 2.64. So that is equal to 2.64. So now for the given equation, here if we are going here, we have V bar, we have sigma V, we have sigma U, we have gamma, we have U bar. So substitute all those things. If you are substituting all those things for V bar, here look, for V bar, we do not know, it is a variable. So we will write it as V itself minus V bar. V bar means 0 is equal to gamma 0.732. We have found it 0.732. Sigma V we have found 2.64. Now sigma U we have found 2.41 into U minus U unknown variable. U bar we have found it as 3.83. Look, this is the required equation. So similarly, if we are substituting the values in the second equation, we will find the second set of regression equations. So this is how we are find the regression lines. So if a question is asked to find the coefficient of correlation and to get the regression lines, first we will write the given data. Then here, by looking at the given data, we can find the numbers are very big. So we will take a common base, and it is an arbitrary base. Here we are taking 20 as the base for x and 33 as the base for y, and we will be subtracting the 20 from all x, and we will call the new values as u, and we will be subtracting v from all v, not 33 from all y, and we will call it as v. So we will have new set of numbers u and v. From that we will write table u, v, u, v, u square, v square. We will find sigma u, sigma v, sigma v square, sigma u square, sigma u v, and we will substitute that in the equation for finding the coefficient of relation to get gamma. So after getting the coefficient of relation equation, if we are asked to find the regression line equation, we have regression line equation as given the u, v minus v bar is equal to etc. and u minus v bar is equal to etc. So we have two set of equations. So for substituting the values in the given equation, we should know what is v bar, what is the value of sigma v, what is the value of sigma u, and all. If we are knowing the formula, we can substitute the given values in those formulas, and at last we are able to find the regression equations. Thank you.